Hello friends, in this video I will show you how I repaired this laptop battery, and if you will watch the full video, I will tell you a trick that can save your laptop battery. Let's begin. First of all, I want to tell you that I've seen this trick in a video of Sorin, and I wanted to check for myself if this works or not. And I started to repair this battery, but I didn't film from the beginning. But if you don't believe me, you can check for yourself. I will tell you exactly what I did. Let me tell you the story of this battery. This battery is from a workstation that needs a very big power charger, 200 watts charger. And the laptop works well, but and the laptop sees this battery but didn't charge at all. It says 0% not charging. And first thing that I've did is open this battery with a tool like this. When you open this battery like this, you have to be very careful with this BMS to not destroy this. And after I've opened this battery, I checked every element in part, and I measured every element was about 0.6, 0.8 volts, all of them. And because all the elements are not above 2 volts, charger will not, usual laptop charger will not charge this. And I've tell you what I've did. I put my power supply on plus and minus, and I applied 16 volts, limit to 1 amp. And this pack of battery started to charge. And after 2 hours, I had 3 volts on each element. After I had 3 volts on each element, I put this cover back and I mount in my laptop to check this if charges or not. And I was very happy to find that now the laptop is charging battery. And after 2 hours, this battery was fully charged. And I promise you a trick. So what I've noticed, if you have a laptop and you don't use a laptop for a long period of time, let's say 1, 2, 3 months or a year, it's mandatory to charge your battery from time to time, because if on one element the voltage drops under 2 volts, the laptop will not charge the battery anymore, because the BMS think the battery is 0% when we have 3 volts on each element. And if the voltage drops under 2 volts, this think that the battery is dead and will not charge this pack anymore. I forgot to tell you something very important. First of all, when you open up the battery, you have to measure every element in part, and you have to assure that no element has 0 volts, because if one element drops to 0 volt, then you will not be able to use the battery again, because the firmware of the battery will disable forever the battery. And there is a solution, but it's very difficult to rewrite the parameters of the firmware in the battery. But you need a lot of expensive tools and detailed knowledge to do this. Now let's put everything back and let's make a test. Now the battery is almost fully charged. Let's measure each element. As I told you in the beginning, I had 0.8 volts on each element. Now I have 4 volts. Now I have 4 volts on each element. Now let's put everything back and let me show you that now I can charge the battery and I can use this battery. Now let me show you, this is a 200 watts power charger for this workstation. Now let's put the charger. And now let me show you the battery is charging. Now you can see this works perfect well. As you can see, now it's charging. I hope that I've inspired you to try this method, and I cannot assure you that will work 100%, but I think you can give it a try. If you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. And if you want to join this community, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.